So I ordered a package from Canon, and it wasn't the Xbox. I ordered a package from Canon, and it is the Rebel T7, which I just bought one from Target in my area, and I like it. And the package came with an EF 75 to 300 millimeter lens focus. The serial number, blot out that, but this is the Rebel T7. It's refurbished. I'm gonna see if I could actually handle this without. Okay, really good. This is straight from Canon, as I said before. It's refurbished. They got it nicely wrapped. Extra layer of bubble sheet, bubble wrap. The box, the book looked like it's refurbished too. They made it brand new, or maybe just reused it. What is this? Counterfeit be dangerous, get informed. Okay. That's really good information. Service support. You get a warranty with this stuff. So the lens here, it was laying in this position right there, and I just sort of took it out. This is the ISO lens that comes with the camera itself. Like if you get the camera kit, this would be the one that comes with it. Let's zoom in. Focus, autofocus, the stabilizer, 18 to 55. Pretty good. I really like it. This is the second one I'm buying in less than a month. So, and the strap and everything here. So there's the battery. It comes with a little cap on it. Typically, the battery is fully charged. The battery charger, and the strap. They all come in one piece. And then the moment we've all been waiting for is for me to get done with this video, because I'm moving way too slow. Alright, so here's the full package. The body of the T7. And I'm careful with this. Thank God for the bubble wrap. Canon T7. So, does it have any marks on it? I'm going to examine it with the camera and my eye after I examine it with the camera. And of course, your battery and your SD card would go in this thing. Let me go ahead and open it up. And yes, I do not have fingernails like most folks, like the length. But the SD card, the battery goes in there. Battery is pretty long lasting. There is no scratches on the lens. On the display. My fingerprints are on there now. I actually don't see anything wrong with this. So it was refurbished, made just like brand new. Not a single scratch. Looks brand new. Great job, Canon. So now it's time for me to open Sesame. But we're not trying to open Sesame right now, so we're just going to open this camera lens. Alright. As I stated before, this is the, it's coming straight from Canon. EF 75 to 300 millimeter distance, focus distance. Canon refurbished from limited warranty, so you do get a warranty with it. Both. They sell these kits with the bag at Walmart or some other place for like $5.99 or something like that. But Canon got a sale on them, so I was like, let me hit Canon store up. If I like a product, I always shop the actual store to support the store rather than the reseller. I like to support resellers, but I also want to support the store. So here's the lens. This thing right here looks like about the size of a thermos or a small thermos or a coffee mug. It's really cool. It has autofocus, but it does not have image stability or image stabilization. Let me get this thing right quick, because it's trying to focus on whatever it wants to focus on. But autofocus, but not the stabilization. So if you're using this, be sure to, you know, have a stand or be very steady with your hands. Look at this. Okay, this is what it's come with. It's like it's brand new. It feels like it at least. So it's refurbished. They probably used the same case and just replaced anything they had to replace on it, anything that was malfunctioned. Let me take this lens off. I mean the lens cap, and let's look into the eye of the camera. I don't see anything wrong with the lens. Great. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. This right here is the Rebel T7 refurbished kit that comes with the additional lens on Canon. You can buy this package at Walmart brand new. It's called the premium kit for about $5.99. They may have it on sale sometimes, but this is my new package, guys. Thanks.